Very good morning, students. Children, today I am going to start new lesson in English language, degrees of adjective, lesson 11. Okay, so open your books to page number 33. Get ready with your English language books, page number 33. Lesson 11, degrees of adjective, page number 33. What are adjectives? Children, what are adjectives? Adjectives are words which describe nouns and pronouns. The words which describe nouns and pronouns are called adjective. Now, degrees of adjective. There are 3 degrees in adjective. First is positive, second is comparative, and third is superlative. So in this degree of adjectives, I am going to explain you the positive, so comparative and superlative degrees. Okay, pay attention now. Children, look it in your books. Adjectives have 3 degrees. First is positive degree. Positive degree usually does not show any comparison. This degree not show any comparison. Look it in the sentence. I have a beautiful car. Is there any comparison? No. So this is your positive sentence, positive degree. Rinku and Pinku are trustworthy friends of mine. Is there any comparison? This degree shows any comparison? No. So this is your positive degree. Trustworthy is your positive degree. Now come to the second form. Second form of adjective is comparative degree. First is positive, the second is comparative. The word comparative itself is saying comparison. This form of adjective is used to compare two persons or things. Comparison between two persons or two things. Two things having the same quality. They are having the same quality and there is a difference. This degree is formed by adding er to an adjective. However, if the adjective has more than one syllable, more is placed before the adjective. Okay, so students, this comparative degree shows comparison, is used for comparing two persons or things with same quality. Okay, same quality. Or in this degree is formed by adding er, adding er. But in some cases where we cannot add er, there we add more and more. Okay, where we cannot add er to the adjective, there we will add more and more. So Prakshit is taller than Akshit. So there is a comparison between Prakshit and Akshit. And Rahul is smarter than Vikas. There is again a comparison between Rahul and Vikas. So this is your comparative degree. Comparative degree, taller comparative degree, smarter comparative degree. Seema is beautiful than Juhi, more beautiful. Here we cannot add er. So where we will add more beautiful. This also shows comparison. Tinku is more hardworking. Ab hardworking, we cannot add er to show comparison, to show comparative degree. So we will add more. In comparative degree, we will add more and er to the adjective. Now come to the third form of adjective. Third form of adjective is your superlative degree. It is used to compare more than two things or person. Here, superlative degree is used to compare more than two things or persons. Okay, the degree of the adjective is formed by adding est to the adjective. Here we add est to the adjective and most. Okay, most and est to the adjective. Here adjective. Okay, and there is a comparison between more than one person or things, more than more than two persons or things. Sorry, here is a comparison between more than two persons or things. Okay, so this is your superlative, comparative and positive degrees. Now you can look at the examples of superlative degree. Smith is the tallest boy in the class. In the whole class there are too many children, more than two children na. So Smith is the tallest. We are talking about more than two students. So tallest. Alicia is the most intelligent student in the class. Intelligent. With intelligent we cannot use est, so we use most. The word most we will put most intelligent student in the class. In the class there are many students, so in the whole class she is the only child who is most intelligent. Okay, there is a comparison between more than two students. Understood? So students, positive degree, no comparison. Comparative degree, comparison between two persons or two things, or we will two person or two things. Or superlative degree, in superlative degree comparison between more than two persons or two things. Okay, in comparative degree we will add er to the adjective, or where we cannot add er to the adjective there we add more. Superlative degree we will add est to the adjective, where we cannot add est to the adjective there we add most. Okay, now come to the exercises. Children, now we will do the exercises. Filling the blanks with correct degree of adjectives given below. In the, you can see adjectives are given to you. You have to use the correct degree of adjective. Positive, comparative and superlative degree. June is dash than January. Comparison. So ER, hotter than January. Mount Everest is the dash peak in the word highest. जहाँ पर भी the word देखेंगे आप means कि there you have to use superlative degree of adjective. In this one, superlative degree of adjective with this the. The again superlative degree of adjective. Understood? Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. My brother is an dash man, honest man, because there is no comparison. Okay? Positive, this is the positive degree. Name the again the here we use the superlative degree of adjective. Large na, to name the largest city in the world. You are dash than your brother, stronger than your brother. Comparison. Okay. Now come to exercise B. Complete the following table with the required degrees of adjective. Positive, comparative, superlative. Positive, short, shorter, short. In positive, short, comparative will be shorter and superlative will be shortest. Now more trustable. Positive, trustable. More, superlative, most trustable. Loud, loudest. Loud, louder, loudest. Dangerous, more dangerous, most dangerous. Fat, fatter, fattest. Children, this is your classwork. Today's date is 26/9/19. Today is 26. Put the date classwork and complete this work in your classwork copies. Understood? Children, complete your work and show it to me. Okay? Thank you.